Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the roadmap for data analysis, a complete guide that takes you from the fundamentals all the way to advanced analytical mastery. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to structure your learning path, this roadmap will give you clarity, direction, and confidence to move forward. 1. Mathematics and statistics. Every strong data analyst begins with a solid foundation in mathematics and statistics. Here's where you build your analytical thinking. Start with probability theory, descriptive and inferential statistics, and hypothesis testing. Learn linear algebra, vectors and matrices, and a touch of calculus. These tools help you understand how data behaves, how patterns form, and how to extract truth from numbers. It's not just about formulas, it's about logic and intuition. 2. Python programming. Next comes Python, the most popular language in data analysis. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for exploring data. Start with the basics: syntax, data types, and control flow. Then dive into powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. As you progress, explore scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch for deeper analytics. With Python, your ideas turn into insights. Your code becomes a story the data tells. 3. SQL, the language of data. Every data analyst needs SQL, structured query language. This is how you talk to data stored in databases. Begin with the basics. Select, insert, update, and delete. Then move on to joins, subqueries, window functions, and query optimization. With SQL, you can manage, clean, and prepare data efficiently, making it the bridge between raw data and meaningful analysis. 4. Data wrangling. Now that you have access to data, it's time for data wrangling, the art of cleaning and preparing your data for analysis. You'll handle missing values, transform formats, normalize datasets, and merge multiple sources together. This step might not be glamorous, but it's where great analysis truly begins. Clean data means clear insights. 5. Data visualization. Once your data is ready, bring it to life through data visualization. Visualization helps you communicate insights, turning complex information into something anyone can understand. Learn tools and libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, Tableau, Power BI, and Looker. Remember, it's not just about making charts. It's about telling a story with your data, the story that drives decisions. 6. Machine learning. As you advance, step into the world of machine learning. It's where data meets prediction. Learn supervised and unsupervised learning, linear and logistic regression, decision trees, and k-means clustering. Study model evaluation, cross-validation, confusion matrix, and ROC curves. Machine learning doesn't replace your analysis. It enhances it, giving you the power to forecast the future. 7. Soft skills. Finally, remember, technical skills alone aren't enough. Strong soft skills make you a complete analyst. Develop critical thinking, problem-solving, communication, and teamwork. Be adaptable. Stay curious, and always keep learning. Your ability to explain insights simply. That's what turns data into action. Conclusion. So, here's your roadmap. Start with mathematics and statistics. Learn Python and SQL. Master data wrangling and visualization. Explore machine learning, and never stop growing your soft skills. Follow this path step by step, and you'll not only become a skilled data analyst, you'll become a storyteller, turning numbers into knowledge and data into decisions that make a real difference. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the roadmap for data analysis. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you in the next one.